I know I usually don't wear earrings, but I was feeling extra sassy today. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am finally going to try out this new trend that I've been seeing everywhere lately. It's called the Foxy Eye Trend, and it's basically that super snatched, elongated eye that people like Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, you usually see them wearing. It's that like super eye, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna try that out today. As you can tell, I am feeling myself today. Cute shirt, hoop earrings, who am I? So let's get started. So with this look, because everything is angular and everything is super upwards, I need to make sure that the shape that I'm going for is one, the right shape, and two, the right angle. Easiest way for this, you can also use this trick for a winged liner, is you match the tip of your nose to the tip of your brow, just like that. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and I'm gonna use tape. Love tape, especially for these types of makeup looks when you gotta get those angles right. So I'm just gonna take some tape, mark that, taking my tape underneath my lower lash line, just like that. I'm gonna do my other eye real quick. This feels really weird when you do it for the first time, especially if you're not used to it. It feels weird, it's really hard to blend. Careful when you're putting tape on. Looking in my mirror, just making sure. Another thing you can do that I've seen a lot is people shaving the tip of their eyebrow to make them straighter and extend the tip outwards, less of an actual arch. I tried to make my eyebrows as straight as possible. I usually don't do my eyebrows like at all other than plucking them. So I like filled them in with eyeliner just to see if I can make my eyebrows look a little bit more straighter. All right, so now I'm gonna start working on the eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer to set that, going in with my Blue Blood palette and going in with the color Celebrity Skin. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm taking an old palette, but still a great palette, smells delicious, is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Puree. And I'm going to take a super fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to start at the very edge of my eye, right on that tape. The best part of this tape is that you can be as messy as you want, because when you pull that tape, it's gonna be a beautiful straight line. I'm gonna take a really old palette. This is the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna take the shade Warm Taupe on a 217 brush, and I'm going to, again, just work on that outer edge. And this is a little bit more cool tone in comparison to the first color that we put down. The same palette, we're gonna go into the shade Cypress Umber, and we're going to first take that on a flat shader brush and kind of just line our outer lash line, bringing it in like a smoky eyeliner. Going back with the 217 brush, we're just going to blend this out a little bit. The Sephora sale is this week and I'm so excited because there's so many new things that I want to get and want to try. I will 100% do a haul when all that stuff comes in. I know it's kind of dumb to like be excited about buying makeup when one, most of us are not working and a lot of us are on EI or the CERB because of the pandemic, and two, because it's not an essential, like it can survive without makeup, whatever it may be, but like honestly, a lot of people are very upset and very anxious and like they don't know what to do with themselves. So if buying some stuff and online shopping is gonna make you feel better, then by all means, do you. All right, enough of that rant. Now I'm going in with this shade called Real Gar, and I'm going to add that just to the top, kind of bringing it in my crease just a little bit. Going back in with Cypress Umber. We are going to take a pencil liner. I'm using Marcelle black eyeliner. We're gonna draw on some eyeliner. And don't worry about this not looking perfect because it is going to get smudged out anyway. And we're only going about like halfway into our lid. I'm gonna go back in with the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna go in with the shade Cypress. Actually, no, I lied. No, yeah. First, I'm gonna take the shade Cypress Umber and I'm just gonna go over and blend out that black. We're gonna work on the rest of the face before we go back to the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with foundation, and obviously I'm gonna use my Pro Filt'r Hydrating Long Wearing Foundation by Fenty. And I'm actually, believe it or not, gonna cream contour in this video because since we want this to be very, very angular, I wanna make sure that my bronzer and contour is placed in the right place, you know what I mean? Like I wanna make everything more precise. So I've been trying to think of other videos that I can do. One idea I had, an old friend of mine posted a photo yesterday, and it was essentially makeup she would have done like back in high school when she was like a scene queen type thing, and I love that idea because that was like my time period. So I really want to redo that, either redo a look that I've done in the past or do a whole brand new look with all the stuff that I have now. So thinking about it, I'm thinking about it. All right, so now that we have our foundation on, I'm gonna go in with our cream contour stick, and I'm gonna start trying to chisel out my face Bella Hadid style. Ta-da! And now I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna keep the inside of here very bright, and I'm going to use this concealer. I'm using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. The middle here, a little bit over here. There we go. And now I'm gonna set my face with my Hourglass Mineral Veil powder. Alright, so now going in with my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm going to take this little Sephora Rouge brush because it is very thin, like a paddle brush, but I'm gonna pinch it a little bit to make it a little bit more kind of like a bootleg NARS Eda brush. Now to really make this look extra chiseled, I'm gonna like bake underneath here. Alright, while I let that bake sit, we're gonna work on the lower lash line. The lower lash line is literally next to nothing. In those photos that you can see of Bella, her lower lash line is very bare, like barely any mascara, any eyeshadow. And this is also the time we're gonna fix this because obviously we don't want it to be this harsh. Bella doesn't have hers that harsh, therefore we will not have ours that harsh. So going back in with the Modern Renaissance, gonna go into the shade Warm Taupe once again. I'm gonna use this as a buffing out shade. Actually, I wanna use a harder brush. I'm gonna use a flat shader brush to do this. There we go. I'm not even gonna lie, I fucked up this eye because there's eyeshadow on the brush. But this eye turned out really nice. Going back to the lower lash line that I said I was gonna do. Gonna go in with the shade Cypress Umber, which is that dark brown. And I'm literally just going to connect the upper lash line with the lower lash line. Literally, that's it. Now I'm going to wipe away this bake that I have going on. In a lot of these Foxy Eye tutorials, they extend the inner corner. So they kind of do that eyeliner where they drag out the inner portion of your eye. So now I'm going to attempt to do that. So I'm just taking some Warm Taupe and kind of just going over that line. I wanted it to be very soft. Perfect. The eyes are pretty much done. For lip, wow, I completely forgot about the lip color. All right, I'm gonna go in with my usual combo, which is basically my Costa Rica eyeliner by MAC, going over that with my Going Steady liner by Essence, and then going in with my soft matte cream Leon by NYX. Now I'm gonna go in with my highlight. So another thing that you can do to really elongate the eye and to really bring out that foxy eye, cat eye effect is you can use false lashes, and you don't even need a full strip. You can cut them in half and put them on the outer edge of your eyes, and that will make them look foxy. I need to like keep applying eyelashes because apparently I'm getting better every time. That is it for the eyes. I'm gonna show you one more trick. So, the photo that Bella Hadid is wearing this look, she has her hair up, and what that does, especially when you pull these front pieces on the side of your head here, is when you pull them up and hard enough, your eyes will also lift and you get that super snatched eye look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the front section of my hair and I'm going to tie it. I am going to pull, not extremely hard, but you know, I'm gonna pull my hair back a little bit more than I would usually do it. Make sure you get all these pieces by the sides of your face. This is me, it's relaxed. And I pulled it back. Damn! Pulling it nice and taut. And now you went from basic AF to Bella Hadid eye snatched status. First time doing this look, it is not that bad. Perfect because you could literally wear this eye anything, any occasion. You want to go out because it's just simple, but it's like very eye-catching and very stunning. I'm obsessed with this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me attempt this foxy eye makeup trend. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, comment, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!